guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be seeing what is in here. It sounds a little crazy. I don't know why, but well, it's upside down. Ooh. And then there's this in here. Okay, so this is the bag. There's leapies. Look at how cute that is. And then this side says your magic. So you are magic. Sounds interesting in here. Okay, so here's this cute little card for it. And this has the stuff in it, but I don't want to know yet. Okay, this is Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup tones, and smoothing or soothes. Soap and sulfate free for all skin types. From Pureless. I think is how you say this. So here is the bottle. It's really cute. I like these little flowers on here. I'm guessing. Yeah, it's not open. Trying to drop these things. Okay, so this is the first thing we got. Next is Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Setting Powder. And this is in translucent. Oh my goodness, how cute it comes with a little fluffer puffer. And it's sealed. Real good. I like this. I'm sure this is awesome. I will have to definitely try this out and see if I like it. I am starting to kind of run out of that coconut one. Finally, I have been trying to use it because I don't really like coconut, so that was like my goal, is to get through it. Obviously I'm not going to waste it, but just use it like all the time. It literally smells like a coconut, so that's another reason I'm not a huge fan of coconut. I don't know why. It's too much for me, so I'm super stoked to try this out, but I want to get through that first. So it's going to be, I might use it once and then get through the other one just to try it, you know. Gotta. This sounds broken. Does it not? Okay, maybe there's a bunch in here or something. This is an eyeshadow cream trio by Nature's Cartel. Please be separate and not broken. It just sounds broken, and I, of course, can never open anything. Oh, thank God they're separate. Okay, they're not broken. I was so worried these were broken when I got this. Oh, this is also loose. Loose. And also loose. They're all open. I'm trying to run away. Okay, so this one is 90s Nude. Ooh, that's really pretty. So that's 90s Nude. These look real creamy. I am super stoked actually about this. So that's 90s Nude. Champagne Scandal. Oh, that is beautiful. That's like so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just can't even. And then this is Tan Line from Tahiti. Ooh, look at that. This is really pretty. If this is like thick enough, you could probably make it eyeliner and it'd be like really gorgeous. So that is those little dudes. This whole time I thought they were broken. Okay, next is from Ciate London Triple Shot Extra Extra Large Mascara. So here's that. Let's see the wand. Oh, it's skinny. But it's like huge at the same time. Love it. So we got some mascara. And the last thing in here is from Thrive Cosmetics, like Cos. And this is Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick Ring Light Technology. Okay. And the color is Aurora. Shine Bright is what this little thing says. These people are like on it and they're like, here, let's put some writing here, let's put some writing there, let's put it everywhere on this whole entire package. Let's not leave anything open. Okay, ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Let me get bigger. So this is like super pretty. I like this. I cannot wait to use this. Alright, let's see if I can touch these without destroying them with my long nails. Okay, so that's the champagne one. It basically blends into my pale skin, but it makes it sparkly. This is like really pretty. You could actually use this probably as a highlight. That's what it looks like on my hand. And this one is the tan line from Tahiti. That one you can see. That one's really pretty. It's lighter than I was expecting. They're really creamy though. They feel like real silky going on. So that is nice. And then 90s Nude. That is 90s Nude. They're like really like light. I don't know if that makes any sense. They're light, they're creamy, they're smooth. They go on really smooth. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we got cleanser. See? Cleanser. More cleanser. Always got the cleanses. We've got Tarte Shape Tape, baking powder, setting powder, Ciate London extra large lashes, this Thrive Cosmetics highlighting inner eye, and Nature's Cartel Duo. So we got makeup, skincare. I like when those odds are that way. Mostly makeup and then some skincare, because you can never, you know, they go hand in hand. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag. I like this Ipsy bag. I like getting the full-size products, but I also like getting the old one where you get the little products. Eventually I might compare the two. I might get both so I can see if it's the same products in the bags or if they're different products, just to see. I wonder if you get like miniature versions of all this stuff or if you get like completely different stuff. I'm gonna have to like do a comparison eventually because I am actually like genuinely curious. This is my 3rd month getting this. I really like these bags though. Like, so the other bags are great and all from Ipsy, but like these I can put way more stuff into. I actually do use them quite often, more than I thought I would. I used the first pink one I got to travel with when I went to South Dakota, which someday that vlog will go up, and it just holds like such a nice amount of stuff. And then the one I got last month, I used it for Halloween shoots. It like held all the jewelry and everything I needed to bring, so it's like really nice. These hold like a lot of stuff and they're just all so cute so far, and they're like completely different. Like I got a baby, not a baby, but like a pink one that was really pretty. I got like a red velvet one last month, and now this really cute like Black Your Magic cute like makeup, now you can see this makeup like circle. I don't know what this is, but it's super cool and I really like it, and it holds a bunch, which, you know, girls need that, okay? We always have so much stuff, I feel like. But yeah, so that was my Ipsy bag for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, tell me if you guys get the regular Ipsy and if you got any of these like products that are like that I got but like travel size, I guess, or if you got like completely different stuff. I'm like genuinely curious. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. We're so close to 200. I'm so excited about it. We're like this close. So thank you guys so much, and I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.